Hi guys, say hi to my mommy.
Hello.
Check-in time.
Traveling and vlogging is not for the weak.
My going back home vlog has officially started. Well, I still have a month, but I'm leaving school tomorrow. It's funny, like after graduation on the same day we are expected to leave. That's in my school though, and they're like, if you want to stay any longer, you can always apply. But I'm just like, in my head, this is a no-brainer. We are international students. We don't have anywhere to go. What if we don't have anywhere to go? Forget that. Obviously we have somewhere to go. No one wants to stay in school after graduation, but what if you don't have anywhere to go? They're like, oh, you must apply. Still, it doesn't make any sense that we should apply to stay in school for accommodation. You guys already know we're international students. We should be allowed to stay until the end of the semester. Anyways, this vlog is not about that. My girl is going home. So today is Sunday. Oh, Monday. Monday, and officially Monday by this time I'll be with my mommy. Next week Monday by this time next week I'll be with my mommy. So the packing continues. One of my bags just broke and I cannot actually travel with that bag, so I got a new one. But right now I'm arranging my clothes, so I'm gonna go take the other bag that I need, okay, to travel with, because I have a lot of stuff. So this is just me taking you guys along, since that's what I do best, taking you guys along in anything that I'm doing. So let me pick my bags and then I'm just gonna show you guys like the bags, because there's no need for me to be taking you guys when I'm picking, because picking is stressful. Even right now I'm so stressed, everything's stressing me. I am stressed. I do not know why. When I'm about to travel, my skin always wants to give me problem. Like on my forehead here, right, I had small pimples, not too much really. And I've always actually had a bad face ever since I came to China. I will just put one peek for you guys here to see, right? So I have tried my best along the years not to play with my face when there are pimples, but just to like wash it, cleanse it, use my skincare. I even reduced all the other unnecessary steps. Now, guys, can you see that? Like my forehead. Let me shower, then I'll show you properly. Anyways, my nails are done and my feet too, and then my lashes. Let me wash up and then I'll show you guys why I'm crying, why I'm complaining. Every time I'm about to travel, my skin has to give me problems. I am going to get my hair braided, and can you guys imagine, like, this month last year is the month I cut my hair, and I've only been braiding for like a month, I think, and I've only braided, I think, like 2 or 3 times. Yep, my hair grows really fast, but one thing about me, I can wake up and decide again to cut my hair. Hair takes so much energy for me, but the reasons why I've cut my hair before, especially after high school here in China, is because the pressure. Yo, maintaining this beautiful natural hair is so hard in this country, guys. But yeah, since now I'm going home, maybe, you know, I'm gonna keep up. Going to get my hair braided. I'm hungry. I don't want no burger, I don't want no fries, no chicken, none of that Chinese food. Guys, I'm so exhausted and I'm so happy that actually I'm going home and I'm gonna eat something nice. While I'm on my way, let me tell you guys, braiding in China is not a joke. The style that I want, which you guys will obviously see later, cost me 600 bucks. That's almost like 80 to 90 dollars. Anyways, let me get a smoothie, then I'll just make up my mind what do I want to eat later. Ni hao. 对，是这个。谢谢。Oh, we're going to already.
No, just one.
Okay.
Just one.
It's a lot.
Incoming mail every day brings something different, and this parcel turns out to be something.
You're going to be nervous. Now your hands are going like that. Are you nervous? You sure you don't have any drugs on your body? This phone number here. Who's this lady?
Oh, my sister.
She's your sister. Do you have another sister?
Yeah.
The young one. Okay. What do they do for work?
Wow! Showing the one with the back, so.
I got a few steaks on speed, they're like good drugs in your man.
Where's your company? Mostly.
Drinks, that's the motherfucker.
Hello. Hi everybody. Guys, I came too early at the airport. I don't have a gate yet, so I'm hungry. Oh, thank God. Just saw McDonald's. And then later, when my gate is out, I'm gonna have to change because I'm wearing a 2-piece. It was very hot. I didn't want to wear what I want to wear when I'm going. So check-in time.
Oh，你是要去接我的这次老黑是吧？好嘞。
for the week. Okay. Anyways, touchdown Ethiopia. I think the time is around 6, 6:30, almost to 7 a.m. I'm not sure because my phone is still showing China time, which is 11:25, meaning here in Ethiopia it's probably 6:25 or 7:25. I don't know. I am so exhausted. I still have 5 hours more on the flight from Ethiopia to South Africa. I cannot wait to see my mom. I cannot wait to eat real food. Yo, the joy of not having to use a VPN. Let me tell you, the last like 5 to 6 days my VPN was not connecting. 2 of them, in fact 3, even the paid one, it was not connecting, guys. I was struggling. And then here I'm in Ethiopia, I'm busy updating, you know, my close ones, like I'm here, and someone is like, how does it feel having to use a VPN? Stupid me, I had already connected my VPN. Talk about trauma. Only for me to go and disconnect it and uninstall. Yo. I'm here monitoring if my bags are there. My last flights. Guess what? I like it when there's no one next to me. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the seat is gonna be empty. Oh my god, I am not an independent queen. Thank god I'm not gonna have to use my brain anymore. My mom, my cousin sister, and my mom's sister are waiting for me outside. And then I'm not gonna have to struggle with my bags anymore. Gosh, I was so used to being a princess. I didn't even carry this bag to the airport. I was just following around. But I'm not gonna vlog much honestly this week, and this is probably the part where I'm closing off the vlog. But sure, I will vlog more after I've spent some time with my family. Touchdown Johannesburg. Oh, Tambu. Yo guys, if I show you my luggage, nah, but let me show you, because yo, I'm so happy to be home, to live a normal life, to speak my language, to eat my food. Is this even exit? Guys, bye. I'm gonna talk to you on the next vlog. Stay tuned. Let me go find my mom. Hi. Hello. Guys.
Memory. Hello.
Hi guys. Say hi to my mommy.
Hello.
Say hi, Mama.
Ano? Saan mo nan?
Johnny, uyaphila.